given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Hi guys, welcome to our next episode all about Patricia. As you can see, I'm at work, so I promised you guys I was going to give a little more details about my book. What my book is entail about. Okay, my book is about struggle. As I said, the title is After the Struggle Will Come Hope. So you know it's about struggle from the title of the book. So guys, we all face struggle. Some of us struggle is bigger than us. We all know that. Doesn't mean because you're going through the fittest of life now, doesn't mean you cannot be what you wanted to be from the first. So it doesn't mean the struggle doesn't mean your life is over. So that is what my book is about. That the struggle is real. Of course, it's real. But the struggle get real when the battle get weaker. So the more you're gonna achieve your dream is the more the struggle is gonna get harder. But you can't let that stop you. You gotta still press on, keep the faith and go through the max because you know what you want. So in the end it all depends on you and what you want out of it. So don't let your struggle define you. You need to press on and believe in yourself. So you don't matter you don't matter the phase you face in life. Press on and go for what you want. So my book is telling you about all these things, how you can get to achieve your dream, and the struggle doesn't define you. Everybody have to struggle in life to be at the right destination. Some of us struggle, some of us still make it, some of us struggle, some of us don't, because we think because we struggle we're not going to go anywhere, and that's a lie. All of us have to struggle to be somewhere. Your struggle can tell you where you go from where you don't go. Just because you don't have it now doesn't mean later you can have it. So don't let your struggle define you. Don't let your struggle let you feel like the world is ending and you can't go anywhere. Tell the struggle, I need better and I'm going to go for better. So my book entails all of those. Chapter 1 is telling you that where the struggle begin from, all of everything that you captured from. So down in the chapter is telling you different things you can expect from the chapter. So the editing will tell you what the chapter is about. So chapter 12 is talking about faith. Faith is the most important thing because without faith there is nothing. You gotta have faith in yourself. Faith to know that better will come from me. Of course it will come. So with better you can achieve anything, because my mom always told me that nothing in life is not worth working for and believing for. So if you want something, you work for it. Say if you want a new car, you're gonna try save the money, you're gonna try to do a little more hours, save the money to buy the car. So that's what you do when you want to go to your dream. You work harder and you got a hope in mind to what you want, you go towards it. Don't let somebody tell you can't do it, because in chapter 8 in my book is about people. People sometimes let us don't go achieve what we want because they tell us that we cannot do it. It can't be that. They tell us, and sometimes we believe them, but in the end, you cannot listen to people's point of view. Listen to your point of view. Go towards what you want. Don't listen to others. Some people tell you can't because they never try. They may try and fail, and they thought because you're gonna try, you're gonna fail. Don't listen. You better you fail and you try than never try and you never failed. You don't know before you try something. If you don't try, you won't know how the battle is gonna become, how the battle is gonna get. Because a person can tell you that you cannot be a lawyer, and they never know because you never stand in front of them and speak so they don't know. But when you speak in front of them, they will say they're not going to say they were wrong, of course, but still they're going to have inside of them is going to tell that they were a little wrong about you. Don't listen to people. Go towards what you want. Don't let because you're struggling stop you. As my title said, after the struggle will come hope. The struggle is real, but the battle is even realer when you go towards what you want. Don't listen to what a person say about you. You know what you are capable of doing. You know what your heart can take. Go towards what you want. So don't listen to what others say about you. You know what you want in life. And whatever you want, you go towards it. Nothing in life is not worth not working for and believing. So my book entails all of those. There is so much for my book to talk about in my book, because my book tell you about life, what life is all about. I have been in position where people tell me, you can't be that. You're not that. Look like you can't be it. I don't watch face. I don't watch words. I watch my action. Because you can tell me I can't, but I tell myself I can. Because myself, I believe in myself. No matter what you tell me, I know I can do it. You can tell me I cannot drive that car, and I said I'm going to drive that car. And I'm going to work that maximum time. I'm going to work that every day. Work to the top to buy that car because I want it. So I'm going to buy it. So don't watch what people say. Believe in yourself. And always trust in God. Always. Because without Him, you're nothing. So the hard work and without prayer, there is nothing. So believe in yourself. As I close my video for today, my book will soon be out, guys. It's a book you guys can relate to. It can touch you, tell you about things you need to know about life. Life, people may say, what do you know as a 20-year-old? They always say that to me. What do you know as a 20-year-old? Let me tell you what I know. I may not know everything about the next person's life, but I know that my story can touch somebody else's life, because what I have been through in life growing up wasn't easy. But I make sacrifice, and my parents make sacrifice, for especially my mom. So don't let your age define you. Don't let a person, because you're young, you cannot do it. Young doesn't mean anything. You can still be young and still have an open mind than a 40-year-old person. You can still be young and have an open mind than a 50-year-old person. It's not about the age. It's about what is inside of here. So as I close, guys, go towards what you want. Don't let somebody tell you can't. Just because they want doesn't mean you can't achieve it. My philosophy is never let your fear keep you from going forward. Never let your fear keep you from going forward. Just because it seems easy doesn't mean it's easy. Just because it seems hard doesn't mean it's hard. Try, make a step. If you fall, you fall, but get up and go up. If you fall again, get up, go again. If you fall, get up, go. You will go up and you will never fall. But once you fall and you stay down, you will never go somewhere. Go towards your dream and believe in yourself, because the sky is always the limit. So when you fall on a cloud or a star. You won't fall too deep or you won't fall too low, so you don't get any of those. Believe in yourself. Guys, my book will soon be out, so guys, it's gonna be top on the market, because my book is gonna inspire people, open people, touch people hard to know that nothing in life is impossible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Just let it go. Just let my video go. Because I want this to touch people. It may not touch your life, but somebody out their life, it can touch. So tell a friend to subscribe, to like, and to watch. Thank you for all my supporters who have continuously always subscribe, always view, always like, always comment. Guys, it's what appreciated. You don't know how much I appreciate you guys. Thank you for everything. As I said, tell a friend to tell a friend, because this may not touch your life, but it may touch somebody else's life. As I close, believe in yourself. Make a step. Don't watch others, watch yourself. You know what you can do. Don't let a person tell you can't, because you intend where you go.
We'll be shy. I don't know where we're going.